Hello everyone, myself Vinay Patel. I completed my BE in Electrical and Electronic Engineering with Bapuji Staff Engineering College, Davangere. And after completion of my degree, I joined for the to upgrade my skill. I joined for the QSPIDERS. There I took as automation selenium. After completion of manual testing, I got many requirements. And in first requirement only, I got designation is software training, software engineer, and package of 3.8 LPA. After that, all the trainers have supported me and they explain all the concept clearly, and also all the HRs also give the opportunity for applying the for adding requirements and they help me a lot to clear this. First of all, thank you for QSPIDERS Basavanagudi. Designation is software training, software engineer,